In British English.
Repairman. Repairman.
Repairman. Repairman.
Repairman. Repairman.
Examples in phrases and sentences.
A TV repairman. We got repairmen all over our office there 3 times a week. Your time would be better spent waiting for the Sears repairman. The firm employed approximately 100 specialized workers including gilders, carpenters, upholsterers, repairmen, and glaziers. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find similar videos for each and every English word in the dictionary on our website.